100, request higher, flight level 250.
Hotel Romeo November, bonjour. Climb flight level 180.
Climb flight level 180, number.
Thank you.
Bet. Now push the power up. That's it.
Oh, it's not coming.
Yeah. Yeah, there you could do that, yeah. 130.
30. Okay, and here.
Mostly cleared the ice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so
okay,
it's...
we can drop it. Oh, sorry.
Yes, you can. It's 3:35 in the afternoon.
Romeo, contact now Swiss radar.
The 21st of July, we're making our way to from Lausanne over to our first fuel stop. And we had a delay. We diverted to Lausanne because we had a prop heat fail. Resolved that with a new module and an issue with the audio panel due to a reassembly issue, but more about that later.
Call Paris 132.380, goodbye.
Their base at Lausanne did a great job. Came out on a Saturday, got us back in the air.
238.
Climbing now at
confirm 3238.
PA and ice penetration speed, even though we're clear the clouds because it's the right thing to do.
3238. Bye-bye.
Short flight, so we don't have any real fuel issues. Well, here's how it looks. Got the departure, and then the usual somewhat circuitous route to Echo Golf Mike Delta Lydd in the UK. Fuel prices and within reach of Wick, which is our next stop. GPC. So a routine flight. Now that we're going, about a half a day late, but no worries. We're having fun. This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely.
Hotel Romeo November, contact now Basel 124.1. Au revoir, monsieur.
124.1, au revoir, monsieur, thank you.